And that is how you make a yogurt from fresh milk. You have simply a starter, a pack of fresh milk, and a yogurt maker. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to make yogurt. So it's a very simple process and you need the following components. So I'm going to make Paul's natural yogurt using the Paul's 100% Australian milk. We'll need the base or the starter, and I will use the current Paul's natural set yogurt. We will need 5 tablespoons of it to be used as a starter, to be placed into the yogurt maker, that is the pot in the center, and simply add about 1 liter of pure full cream milk and let it set for about 10 to 12 hours and your yogurt will be made. So let's start the process. We'll add the starter. Do note that you can also buy the starter from online as shown, and it comes in small packets. Okay. So I'm going to put 5 tablespoons of Paul's natural yogurt into the pot. So this is the 5 tablespoons of yogurt for starter. Next, we'll use the Paul's pure full cream milk. Do note, you need to use full cream milk and not low fat milk. So we'll pour it into the pot. Pour it all the way. So this pot is about 1 liter. And then you stir the contents. After that, simply put on the cap and turn on the power to start the yogurt making process. And you may set the timer. We'll set it at 11 hours. So basically what the pot does is to maintain a constant temperature of between 43 to 45 degrees. So it's been 11 hours. Let's take a look at our yogurt. So this is the yogurt that was made with fresh milk. The first thing we want to do is to scoop up 5 tablespoons as a starter for our next batch. But as you can see, it is bean curd light. So let's scoop up 5 tablespoons. We'll keep this as a starter for our next batch of yogurt. We can switch off the yogurt maker. Let it cool down for about an hour. Thereafter, you can store your yogurt in the fridge. Enjoy your bowl of yogurt by adding some fresh fruits and nuts. Bon appetit!